Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss grade 10 physics topic, work, energy and power in the numericals, exercise 2a. Because we are okay with the theory, we can directly go to the numericals. First one is a body when acted upon by force 20 kgf gets displaced by 1 meter. See, for example, if there is a body at this point, it moves from this to this, the displacement is 1 meter. And what is the force applied on that? That is 20 kgf. Now they are asking in three conditions what is the work done by the force. First one, if you see, you know that work done is equal to force into displacement. Now let us write the terms given. What are the terms given here? F is given as 20 kgf, and if you convert into Newton, it is 20 into 10. Nothing but 200 Newton. Displacement S is 1 meter. Now easily you can calculate nothing but 200 into 1. So we can write it as, here we are having 200 Newton meter. Now second one. They are asking by making an angle 60. So in that case, what is the formula applied? W is equal to Fs cos theta, where theta is equal to the angle given. So we have to know that here in the first case they have mentioned 60. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So therefore work is equal to force 200 into displacement is 1 into 1 by 2. Now you are going to get as, so we are getting 100. Next one is, see, when they are giving normal, nothing but theta is 90. So what is cos 90 is 0. So straight away we can write W is equal to force 200 into displacement is 1 into 0. So anything into 0 is 0. So hope you are able to understand. In the first case, Newton meter can also be written as joule here, 200 joule. Second one is 100 and third one is 0. Now let us move to the question number 2. Now coming to question number 2, it is mentioned that a boy of mass 40 kg climbs up the stairs and reaches the roof at a height of 8 meters in time 5 seconds. So find out the force of gravity. Then we have to find work, and last one is find the power spent by the boy. So here we are using all the three terms. Now what is given here? Mass is 40 kg, height is 8 meter and time is 5 seconds. The first one, force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Applying that we get mass, how much? 40 kg into gravity is 10, nothing but 400 Newton. First one is very simple. Now what is second one? Second one, they are asking the work done. You know, work done is equal to force into displacement. What is force? From the first one we got 400 Newton into S is nothing but displacement, that is height 8 meters. So 8 into 4, that is 3200 joule. So our work is 3200 joule. Hope you are able to calculate. Now the third one is, they are asking power, nothing but work by time, W by T. So what is work? 3200 joule and time is 5 seconds. So if you calculate 6 times 4 and 0, okay, so 640 watt. So we all know about the formula in unit, hence I have just substituted and got the answer. Hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the question number 3. Next, question number 3. A man spends 6.4 kilojoules of energy in displacing a body by 64 meters in the direction he applies force. Let us take, he is taking a body from this position A and the displacement 64 meters, the same direction. Force is applied and he spends about 6.4 kilojoules. So hence we can say that work is nothing but 6.4 kilojoule. Kilo we can convert into 10 to the power of 3 joules. So work done. Now what is given displacement? Yes, 64 meters and in time 2.5 seconds. They are asking to calculate force as well as power. And one more important thing is power in horsepower. That is not in watt, and we should know that 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Using this relation you can convert this. Now first question, what is force? Before that let us see work done is force into displacement. Now how do we get force? By sending this to other side we can say that work done by displacement. What is work done? 6.4 into 10 to the power of 3, and the displacement how much we got, that is 64 meters. So 1 and 10, nothing but 10 square, it's 100 Newton. Therefore the force is 100 Newton. Fine. Now the first one is done. Second one is, what is the power? You know the formula for power. Power is nothing but work by time, work done by time taken. First let us calculate in watt, then we will convert into horsepower. So what is the work done? 6.4 into 10 to the power of 3 joule divided by what is the time taken? 2.5 seconds. Now you can just check the division. So 25 twos 50, 4, 14. So you can have 140, 5s 125. So now we got 2.56. So we can say that power is 2.56 into 10 to the power of 3 watt, nothing but 2560 watt. We got power in watt. Now convert into horsepower. So that relation we can write here. 1 horsepower we have 746 watt. Now let us take it as X. How much is given? 2560. On cross multiplication, X is 2560 by 746. So we get 3.43 horsepower. Using this method, we can calculate the force applied and also the power spent by the particular person. Hope you have understood this. Now let us move to question number 4. Now let us see question number 4 and 5. So question number 4, they gave a weightlifter has lifted a load of 200 kgf. Let us say he has a load, so 250 kgf, the mass, to a height of 2.5 meters and time taken is 5 seconds. So they are asking calculate the work done and also how much power was developed by him. Now you know the formula for work, that is nothing but force into displacement. So what is the force used by him? Nothing but F is nothing but m into g. So you can also use h here, the height. W is mgh. So we can take it as 200 into 10 into height, nothing but 2.5. So here you will get 5. So work done is 5000 joules. Now second question is, what is the power developed by him? So what is the formula used for power? Work by time. How much work is done? 5000 joule. And what is the time taken? That is 5 seconds. So power is 1000 watt. Hope you are able to understand question number 4. Now if you take question number 5, see, you try that and then only check with the solution. Use only 1 minute to calculate. You can stop the video and then solve. After that, check with the solution. A load of 750 Newton is lifted up. And what is the height? 16 meters. The load is, let us take the load is 750 Newton. Now the time he has taken for lifting, that is 5 seconds. Very simple. A machine raises the load of 750 Newton up to the height of 16 meter in 5 seconds. So now what is the energy? So energy is now in this condition is equal to work done. The energy which is spent in this condition is equal to work done. And now what is that formula? Work done is equal to, you can take force into displacement. What is the force here? Nothing but 750 Newton. 750 Newton into displacement is 16. So you will get 12,000 joule. So you can say that the energy or work which is done is equal to 12,000 joule. Next one. So what is power here? So first one we have done. Now second one. Power is nothing but work by time, rate of doing work. So that is 12,000 divided by how much time? That is 5 seconds. So we cancel 2, 4, 0, 0. Therefore power is 2400 watt. Hope you are able to understand. If they give in hours power also, you can calculate. Now let us move to question number 6. Next, question number 6 and 7. Question number 6, they have mentioned an electric heater with the power, let us write a power P 3 kilowatt is used for 10 hours. Hence we can say the time used is 10 hours. They're asking how much energy does it consume. So we need to find out how much energy it is consuming. First one is in kilowatt hour and second one is in joule. This is very simple. You are directly taking the values. Therefore, in terms of kilowatt hour, we can write it as power into time. Always energy consumed is calculated using power into time. Now E is equal to, what is the power here? 3 kilowatt and time taken 10 hour. Hence we can say that the energy consumed is 30 kilowatt hour. Now second one, they are asking to find in joule, so hence we have to know the relation. It is known that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. So this is known. Now, so here, how many kilowatt hour we have? 30 kilowatt hour. So we need to calculate, take it as x. Now x is equal to 3.6 into 10 power 6 into 30. Now we can calculate 6 3 is 18, 3 is 9, 10. 10.8 into 10 to the power of 7. That is equal to 1.08 into 10 to the power of 8 we can take in terms of joule. So energy is equal to this much. Hope we are able to understand this. Now let us move to the question number 7. A water pump raises 50 liters water, volume is given, through a height of 25 meter, displacement in time 5 seconds. You have to calculate the power of the pump. Given density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube and acceleration due to gravity g is 10. Now let us calculate. Try to solve this in 1 minute. Hope you have done this. If not, you can check with the solution. Now what is given here? Volume is given. Volume in 50 liters, nothing but you can take it as 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Conversions you know, hence I have written. Second one, what is given here? We have density, you know. Density is calculated as mass per volume. They have given density. Now we need mass. Therefore, the mass can be calculated by using density into volume. What is density here? 1000 kg per meter cube into volume. 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. This gets cancelled and you will get the mass in kg. So nothing but, so into 10 to the power, so straight away we can get the mass as 50 kgs. So this 3 10 power 3 and this 10 power minus 3 gets cancelled, you will get mass as 50 kgs. Now let us calculate what is power. We know that power is work by time, and work formula you know mgh, hence you substitute the values here. So power is equal to mass 50 kg into g 10. What is the height? That is 25 meter, and in time 5 seconds. Hope you are able to understand. First we calculated the mass by taking the formula density mass by volume. So mass is equal to density into volume, and you got mass as 50 kg. Now you can solve this. So the power is 2500 watt. So I think you have got the same answer. Hope you have understood this. Now let us move to question number 8. Now you read the question number 8 and try to solve that. After that I'll give you the solution. A pump is used to lift 500 kg water. Mass is given 500 kg. I have written here. From a depth of 80 meter. That means height of that particular well is 80 meter we have written. And calculate the work done, and also power, and you know power rating, nothing but power input. We have efficiency is useful, power by power input. Using all this, let us try to solve the first one. Work done, you know what they have mentioned, mass is given, displacement is given, or height is given. So let us solve this. So W is equal to m into g into h. So what is mass here? 500 kg into g value they have mentioned here 10, and height is 80. So we get 8 into 540. So this much joule, or we can also write 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. So work we got. Now second one, what is power? Power is calculated as work by time. What is work? 4 into 10 to the power of 5 joule divided by time taken is 10 seconds. Nothing but 4 into 10 to the power of 4 joule. If you convert into kilo, 10 cube, you can also write 40 kilowatt. So in terms of kilowatt, we can write as power 40 kilowatt. Now the last one, what is the efficiency given? They have given the efficiency is 40%, and how much power is used here? 40 kilowatt. Hence we can write like this: 40% is given as 40 kilowatt by, let us take power input is x. Now percentage is nothing but by 100. 40 by 100 is equal to 40 by x. Directly you can get x is 100, but on calculation you get x is equal to 100 into 40 by 40. That is equal to 100 watt. So therefore finally the power input is 100 watt. So using this formula you can calculate the given three options, that is work, power, and also the power input. Hope you have understood this. In the next class we will complete the remaining 8 questions. Thank you so much.